The story of Chernobyl. From death zone to nature's revival. Imagine an abandoned city where time seems to have stood still. A place that once bore witness to the worst nuclear disaster in history. However, behind the darkness, there is an inspiring story of life finding its way. Welcome to the Chernobyl exclusion zone, a place that symbolizes man-made destruction, but also bears witness to the power of nature to recover. Chernobyl disaster. A horrific story that's hard to forget. Let's rewind to April 26, 1986. The explosion at the Chernobyl nuclear reactor released an enormous amount of radiation. The town of Pripyat, located just a few kilometers from the nuclear power plant, had to be abandoned in no time. People's lives changed drastically in the blink of an eye. Exclusion zone. A forbidden place that holds secrets. After the disaster, the area around Chernobyl was designated as an exclusion zone. Access to this area was severely restricted. The exclusion zone became like a ghost town where time seemed to stand still. Life finds a way. Nature always finds a way to survive. Despite human abandonment, nature in Chernobyl showed remarkable resilience. Wild animals began to re-inhabit the exclusion zone. Forests flourished, and various plant species adapted to the radiation conditions. Lessons from Chernobyl. Disaster as an opportunity to learn. The Chernobyl disaster was a reminder to us of the importance of nuclear safety and the long-term impact of human activity on the environment. However, behind this tragedy, there is also an inspiring story of nature's resilience and humanity's ability to learn from mistakes. Chernobyl is proof that nature has an incredible power to recover, even after suffering catastrophic damage. The story of Chernobyl teaches us to respect nature and coexist with it. Let us make this disaster a valuable lesson so that we can build a better future.